Pleasant Tuesday afternoon, my people. Pleasant Tuesday afternoon. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Everyone is well? I hope so. In Jesus' name. People don't want to ask why I have on the time. It's not because my ear want comb and I want shave, cause as me telling them, me no care. You understand? Hear them a call me name, but me no care. Me no care. Reason for have on the time. Rain a fall from yesterday, people. Yeah, Jamaica getting some rain from yesterday. You know, well, we are get it for a while now, but I'm mostly like on the, like the east side and the west side. I get it from about last week. We just get like a drip, but yesterday and a few days before we get quite a good shower in Kingston. You know, last night I sleep like a baby because when the time cool and nice, you sleep more comfortable. You don't know where you do your sleep, or if you have time for waking in the morning if you're going away. So I keep the time on because sometimes the man will just run out of a hot area and run in the dew or run in the rain, come from the hot car and run out in the rain or in the dew. And those are the things that help to cause like cold and flu symptoms and stuff like that. So I just put on the time because the rain the dew and come out, because as I say, I didn't hot area and I come out, so I have it on. And now because me here want come, I see somebody come and say, speak my mind, go get your hair do, and you remember me respond to you and I say sponsor it. But you don't know my style, as I tell you, I don't shave every week, because I'm afraid I raise a bump, I want my little old face to stay same as how it look. I don't want to have no pothole in it where I want patch with cement. So I shave like every other week. You understand? But by now on weekend I don't see me, man. Here I come. My appointment for come here what? Thursday or tomorrow, something like so. And like Friday, I just go well a shave after my comb. Because I shave to how I comb my ear, I line up to how I comb my ear. Anyway, my people, you don't know what do they do? Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Thursday night open topics at 9:30. We might adjust the times based on the traffic on YouTube at the time. We might just adjust the time, whether half an hour late or an hour later based on the traffic. We don't know what we call the traffic. So just do the do. And remember, the cash app pin in the comment section, you ask for it, you get it. $ Life is a Mission TV. You already know the purpose of the cash app after you give me what I will do with the gift. It's not a charity. You give me and I see it worthy to give back needy persons. Alright? And remember, the young college student entrepreneur, YouTube link in the comment section. Help our channel to grow. Just hit the link and hit that word subscribe and subscribe to our channel. Support our business. Go on our website, charms_and_trend_. No, charms_and_trends, right? Instagram page. You see nice things over there you can choose from. Tumblers, mugs, necklaces, cups, you name it. Anything customized. Anyway, my people, I come for a little short, brief moment to touch upon a little thing I say. I think yesterday I come across it. But before I touch upon that main thing that I come to speak about, Nadia or Nada, whosoever you want name or where you want be, whether you're a he, she, be, she, x, she, y, she, you're a hermaphrodite, female or male. Me see in a curly comment I talk about me a fret because you say you have file on me. Me no look like no filing cabinet. Fishy have no file for me. And as me tell you now, there is no file. Curly will live all the way America when you know me. Me never come across Curly yet. Can't have for me. There is nothing at all or nobody at all Curly can find when know me and know she and give her any legitimate information, credible information on me. Because why? There is none. If who lives around me not have none, how curly I can have it? Come on, no? Think wise, no idiot. And all you fools out there when make Curly having in a suspense. But she have this and she have that. Up to last night to this morning. Oh, as a matter of fact, you're not going to force me to talk. When I ready, I talk. After you plan to talk things where you have from last week leading up to this week, you put all date and time on it. So now, let me tell you this. I want you to open up your ears. And I want you to open up your ass if I hit a list note or two. But now open it up in the public. Because not only to the time I want to spend on social media, only they don't have enough time for wipe around this. So when you go a tile it or go around a corner or a gully or a walkman. Because some of them don't have no proper sanitation in a place, you know, for defecate and all them something there. So no fun when you know wipe someone a woman on a wipe or from the front way, so it knocks up the whole underneath there. So you understand? You don't even know how to properly wipe on around there. So you understand? You wipe it from front way. So sometimes the phone smell up. You understand? Some of the man afraid to even turn in another position there. The back. You understand position there? Because when him turn in another position there, the stench will come up on him. You understand? He must feel a cock him nose and no sensible man. Now go roll over a woman back way. If you take a little piece and smell that the smell and cock nose and still a take it. Him out time senses because all like me. No cure me stay so. Any little scent me smell, whoops, and me gone. Much as that the type of scent there. And no phone in a phone now take time out. Someone on depend the live, and because a thief, not thief, look at internet. You feel like so no one defecate, I want use the bathroom, but you don't want miss half of the live. And you can't carry the live, go to the toilet. You understand? You run go in the toilet for a second and make it off the head part tight. Because them say for you go the head part tight, you know. You can't mess up yourself again. Unless a running belly you really have. You understand? And run come back, not even properly wipe round there. No phone when no man a go in that position there. A shame, man. Shame. Because you don't have no time to cleanse up on yourself. It's all over in a social media, but you come and talk about me fretting. Where me a fret pan? Master don't know me from nowhere. And if she even know somebody will know me or somebody will contact her and know me, a false information she will get, because probably the people them want to take a thing from her. And she's so desperate for information right now. She a sing how she have her money and her money pay. Anybody that want to scam you and take your money and give you false information. So when me a fret for? Eh? When me could have fret for now? Nada, tell me when me a fret for now? Not even who live around me and see my day-to-day movements and see when my surrounding have nothing to talk about me. I have anything on me. Because the liquor with upon me, make sure I put it out on the lighthouse stop. Bird when them ready, them just come pick it night and carry it away and carry it gone elsewhere. Different section of the country and the parish and the community. So everybody already know it and what it's about. Just the norm. Coming from a poverty society, poor family, and me little troubles and tribulation and me go through growing up as a youth. But at the same time, I still not make that deter me when me make them trouble me. And at 50 of the year old, I'm still without a criminal record. Never been to jail yet. You understand? With all those tribulations when my band come see and grow up through. I've never been to jail yet. You understand? The only time I come in front of a judge, as me say, traffic court, and that is about 2 times. You understand? So nobody know nothing about me now there. Or where you want name, not flag or all of that. Nobody can know nothing about me. Because there's nothing to know about me. Because anything is there to know about me, I go come put it out. Because me I tell you, and me I go tell you now again. Doctor make mistake and cut mine shame tree and think was my neighbor string. What me say? Doctor make mistake and cut my shame tree and think it was my neighbor string. So me not have no shame tree. So if you come out the road and catch me, mess up myself, me not have no problem. If you come catch me in one gully and walk me and bend down and defecate, me not have no problem. I laugh at you, because you the laugh I go depend when you go out and go tell people. Because people are say, oh, that boy there. What you feel like you can't shame him? No, you can't shame him. You go shame yourself when you walk and tell people, oh, you go catch him in a gully or in a watermelon and use it and defecate. And you go shame yourself because people say, oh, that you tell you, we know that, man. I still news that. So are you go feel shame because when you feel like you have news and you have nothing. So you go talk about Marcia, him a fret, boy in a car a fret because you say you file upon him. Where is Fret? Fret is on guitar. Go to a music store and get a guitar and musician and make him show you what is fret. Fret dep on guitar. Me not have no time for fret. Me can't fret to a Marcia, me not fret to a who a see me daily. Who a see me daily afraid of me much less. And that's the thing about it. When you have your dirty closet, you have to turn out your dirty clothes and make people see it. Make people see when you have turn out your dirty closet. When you have your dirty deeds, you have to come a road, come establish your dirty deeds. Especially when you are coming a phone as a social media person and going like it's all that. So when time people find out your deeds, it's too late. You already turn it out. When people find out say your closet having dirty clothes, you already show it to the public. So when them come attack and feel like them have story, them not have nothing at all. Because everybody don't know and hear about it. So there is nothing you come with that's new. What's new? That not new. Every day you come in at the same old shoe. What's new? That not new. Every day you come in. So Nadia, be careful. Be careful. If you look at hype over Marcia, don't look it off for me. Because we come out here, come fix you the right and proper way and cement you. When you're afraid to even go up on the next platform. And any platform me go and see you, me loud you up. When you just glad to me like some of them people here, you know, we love come show and go up on a page and open up on a page and show. But me just say it to you. Me don't have nothing for fret about. Marcia don't know nothing about me. And all the story Marcia promise you know is fabricated story. Whether it belongs to me, he, she, or the old lady. A fabricated story. People just send some little false news. Because when they see her in her phone and she depend. And where she come with. Come on, somebody cannot send me information and send me the type of information that they must send you. Somebody cannot send me information and send me one man a ball with one voice note we hear from we are last year. Those are the type of information you want to take. Anyway, next thing, before me left she. This man me up on a live and hear her about me call my son. Make a call my son. And she call her son. Not even half a minute good, but 30 seconds. And like him, I say, me asleep. You calling your son now to prove that your son is not behind bars. Makes no sense. Why a couple days or weeks ago you did not do that? To prove to the public. Why you gonna come do that now? Why you try to prove? If you not prove nothing to the public, you just not prove nothing to the public. But you never do it couple days or weeks ago when it was said that this person was behind bars. Why come and do it now? It not proves him never there behind bars. Because him can't out now. So this is why you choose the time now to do it. You should have proved that to the people them when all your own supporter depend. Then Marcia call him now, make a video call him and make them see Marcia. And you depend, oh, I'm not proving anything to nobody. So why you come and prove now? You not prove nothing to nobody, you don't need to come and prove. But you calling your son this morning and him a tell you about, just wait man, me not wake up yet man. Alright, call me when you wake. It's definitely prove you want to prove to the public or social media that your son is not behind bars. But as me say, it don't prove that he was not behind bars before. Because when the whole scenario, you should have come out at that time when you're saying he's out. in few hours. Him never spend no time. When other people are saying otherwise, that he's there behind bars. And this the only way you can into an orange jumpsuit unless you're gone behind bars. You can just take into the station for a statement or a questioning and then put in an orange jumpsuit. You go into the orange jumpsuit when you're leading away to lock up. Whether prison, prison, jail, whatsoever. My knowledge is when you're leading away to go to lock up, you get that jumpsuit. You get the prison clothes. No more muggling. All of you have to look the same. Same clothes. You can't in a Versace and somebody around there saying a Gucci. You have to be in a prison like everybody. The brand when you're in prison, yeah. So that's where you come with this morning, master. I never proved nothing at all. Say your son wasn't behind bars. You should have done that a couple weeks ago when you were asked to do it. When the allegation was that, yes, he was behind bars. Alright? So you are your friend them. Because right now, you know, two of me see you last night and this morning, you know. It's like the date will change again from Saturday or Sunday. Because me I tell the people that you don't have shit. You don't have nothing at all. If you even come out with something upon somebody, people are going to laugh off you because I don't know credible. I don't know what probably people never hear before. You understand? But these people are just taking you for a puppy show because them say he's a clown. So them sending you information and things that you cannot deliberate upon. Information and things that is gone from last year and the year before, and probably you never come across it. To only make you look like even a bigger fool when you come out with that. Because people are saying, Lord God, how this shop people in a suspense for over 1 week hard? Then this not gone from last year. We don't hear this over there, so we don't hear it up there, so we don't hear it around there, so we don't hear it cross it, so the people them are just misleading you and sending you false information, long time information, information that you cannot come out here and deliberate upon and bring it across as though it is. Just like how you come out and talk about the 19th. Where were you the 19th? 2019, X time. No day, no put there, no month, no put there. 2019 have 365 days. Anyway, my people, we are getting a little party. So, just stay tuned. Yeah, my people. As I said, I come across a video yesterday. I don't know if it was done the day before, which is Sunday. Or is yesterday, Monday, though. Where you have a certain blogger will come out and he's saying some things about charity. Right? Everybody have them free speech, everybody have them platform, everybody have them own opinion. Right? So I am saying we can't stop nobody from talk. But you see, when you are going to set a precedent, said like you are this type of person, and then at the same time you have your time where you're going to come out on your platform, come do otherwise, or you're going to just take a sudden turn, just like how me just said earlier on about Marcia, from what we know you will do or what you will say, in a sense, and not being bold enough to come out and say it as it is, as we know you don't normally say. You make it sound like, you know, you're falling a little twist up thing or a little mix up business, or, you know, you throw shades and them stuff there. It not look good. If you are having a problem, alright, you normally have a problem with the government and the system in Jamaica and all kind of things, that you come out blatantly and you talk as it is. And you call out who you call out this and you call out that. Why you couldn't be in the same order you do this what you do with this video? You understand? Where you comes out and you talk about charity, yes, we know it's not just one charity in Jamaica. But there's one standout charity in Jamaica. There is one well-recognized charity in Jamaica. And when you go and come out, so I'm saying, seem like how you can come hands and heart and call out them people there. This a minister, that the minister, this a person we control this around this. Why couldn't you come and instead of try to spread the thing so and talk about charities when you know you're talking directly to an ex-person? Why didn't you just come out and point the arrow straight and talk direct to that person and be the person who you say you're hard then? You're straight up and you come out, come talk and you this and you lick out against whosoever and you're not busy with government, anybody. You could have come out see them instead of throwing shades. And the shades what you are throwing, we are not idiot in social media. Because all the above what you say, some of them are Christian, them say them are Christian, and them come out and say them are run charity, and it was all about God, and all of a sudden we don't know where God gone, where God dead. This is somebody when me used to come out a morning time and me could have come out, come watch morning devotion. So all of the talk where you talk is directly to ex-person. But yet still, you try to make it look like, you know, you're not talking directly to that person. So you talk about the charity them in Jamaica and this. So it's like you try to make it look as if, okay, it's not the individual you're talking. But the things you have said during your video, all fingers point on that person. We're not idiot, and I'm not alone educated. And it don't need nobody who educated. For you have common sense and a little knowledge and an opening ears to hear. It is easy. Easier than 1, 2, 3. A little baby we born can know what you talk about and who you talk. You understand? You used to wake up in the morning to devotion and watch devotion and the God and where's the God and them use this God to build themselves and, you know, get rich and be this famous person. People, as me saying, I'm not come to stay long, you know. But what me I say, who in this world, if you even don't want to be billionaire, millionaire, don't want to rich then, to be comfortable in life? Or I should say, who don't want to be comfortable in life? Wanna tell me in the comment now, man, who in life right now don't want to be comfortable? And when I say comfortable where you have a nice place to sleep, like all it a come to stormy season now, you know, if you are afraid to say, Lord, of the season this now, where boy, round this a leak, the bathroom a leak, the kitchen a leak, and one big part of my bed, one zinc one change for more 5 years now. And me have to go move the bed and me have to go set pan it because when me gone to work or when me gone to road, me don't know when the rain go come down and me don't want the bed wet up. Who don't want to be comfortable now so them live somewhere where all those things them not fear think about now? I one of the worst things for live out somewhere where that rent you pay or a year like a tabernacle, you know. And you live there, you know. And when them time of season your boy you're uncomfortable. Because you know where you gonna go through every minute you have to map out, you have to set pan yourself pan this, so you have to move this furniture, you have to move bed. And then something we are going yesterday, the day before yesterday or last year, it are going for a while. But guess what me now? Financially, you're not comfortable if you can go up there, because take off the roof, or change out the zinc them if you change out, or take down the light them if you change out. So tell me people who don't want to be comfortable. You understand? And if this lady with this man you're pointing finger upon, get up, inspired by God, to do a charity where she never even did plan to do. She tell you the story and who are forward with her all along, see and know the story how it all started. And if God give her the strength after so much beating in social media in the world from a few handful of people, to carry out this mantle and she continue to do it under these type of disrespect, degrading, embarrassment. You understand? She continue to do it. And the people who are donating them money see it fit to continue to donate them money to this woman because of the honesty and the trust that them have in her. And this woman gained the trust and honesty from the people that corporate Jamaica comes on board to make this woman be a part of their business because they see the weight where she are carrying on social media. And remember now, it's not about TV no more. It's about social media where business is concerned. So, a man quicker to pay a social media personnel and money than go to the station, the radio station or TV, JR, CVM right now. You understand? If you do them ads. Because social media is the way to go right now. And if this woman have a big platform that everybody see, say, if she said, boy, dirt for sale, everybody want dirt for buy. Leave for sale, everybody want leave for sale. And these people in corporate can see the influence she have on her supporters to support and wish to use her as their ambassador. What she do about it? She turn it down because of charity she did do. So she must try to benefit nothing from charity. And true, she help people. She must help herself. She help herself, but she not help herself from people money where them a send come, give her for give people, for help people. So if blessing comes her way otherwise, for she for help for herself and elevate for herself and have big mansion and big house and big car. How much millions in a bank? It's not supposed to be none on the problem or nobody problem. Because none of the donors or recipient cannot say she took their money to do all of that. But all I want to have a problem. All I want to where we did not expect to come out and say certain things and talk certain things. Want to come in like when ship and aircraft in a distress and them depend mayday. We are on a distress where someone come in like want to just get distress at times. I want to choose nobody else to pitch pan. Then I look like mayday. We don't want to see and buck up in a shipwreck and ship out for sink. Only in the here and on the aircraft out for crash. We're not supposed to call 99 name, man. Or try to involve or insert the woman. We're not call for Mayday. She's not Mayday. No care what kind of distress and problem you know. Or what kind of content you know, or views or whatsoever. No care the type of person who is coming along. We soon look like this person. We say, yes, nice person, yes. You don't have to try for, you know. Because what? Through the woman a deal with charity, the woman must come out and make fair life, a better life at the same time. She not make it at the expense of donors' money. She not make it at the expense of recipient money. Corporate see the job she have put out. Corporate see the powers that she have in a social media where our supporters is concerned. They're willing to support anything she say support. You don't feel like corporate want them things to sell to. You don't feel like corporate want them business to elevate. So all the way say run come with them hair, them nails, them makeup, them this. You think them just carried come because them want to give Dana? You think them carried come just because them want to say yes, them give Dana something? No. Them a look for a return. And most of corporate already have it already. Them already millionaire already. Look on some of corporate. Some of them there before even Dana born. But who them turn to? She. Because what? They see she as somebody who can elevate them business despite them they are from 1962, 1950, 1944. Them a millionaire already and them have much company already. They still want to elevate. Them want to move further in life. Them want to have new companies. Them want to put new product on the scene. And without that, they have to have the support behind them to elevate them. You understand? So all of these corporate company, our returns them a look when them call Pandana. Because of the support base so she have, they will support from she say go support. You understand? And it is far better than going to the media house, because when you go to the media, the mainstream media house, all they do is advertise your things. Who want see it, who no see it, no see it, who want hear it, who no hear it, just hear it. Who want bite, who no want bite, just no bite. But when you come to the platform holder like she, our supporters comes out and support physically. And this is why corporate are run to her. And that's where she earn her money from her own bakery and other business that she do. So why jealous? Why come make it look like, okay, she come out and talk about God, and she preaching God, and she a Christian, and she this, and all kind of story not, and worry not, and sorry not. And all of a sudden she take a different turn, and whatsoever. The good thing about it, the turn she take, she never hide it. She come on her same platform, come tell you how much she find herself start to eat salt, this, that. She come on her platform, she know she have icky pan neck, she could have come here and sit and cover it up, way up here so turkey neck, like she there some Iceland or Alaska. You understand? But she come out. Because what? If you don't see it, she her own bigger man. She not have to answer to Uno. She answer to Father God who she a pray to. You understand? We don't know what kind of prayer she pray to Father God when she go to her bed, when she do whatever she do, but Uno try judge her for. And as far as I see all of them things away, Uno claim to say she do and want to put pan her, he keep on next, she a yam salt, she a talk about kisko, she a talk about mackerel, she a talk about herring, she a talk about sachets. She still a flourish. She still a bloom. She still a blossom. She still a go forward. That simply means God is still with her. Despite what you say. You know, hear her again about God this, God that. You know, hear her come in the morning devotion. And you know, hear her come with this and that. The fact remain. You can see. Nothing no change. Where she's concerned in helping people, still getting the support from our support base. That simply means God's still in the middle. So who is you? If you come question it. Go and question your deeds. What are you offering to the public? You take to your platform and you help a few people in a small way and come out, come tell them how much you know run charity, you know this, you know terror, you know this. You want to see a better Jamaica, you're not playing a great part. More than and chat. Expose government, expose yes, expose this. Yes, that is one. But what you're doing physically. Take up your platform and do like what she do, man. You come out and point direct fingers on a decay way, and then add in a few others and make it look like it's a general statement you make about charity. You now make no general statement. You come out directly for the woman. Because all what you have said is about she. You understand? And this is what me I say, it don't look good when you come out to be this type of person. Then, cause basically, you have to the woman come out and talk about Jesus and God, and they should still talk about her Jesus and her God. And whatsoever. But you come out as a person who people take on to, yes, because you come out and you speak, or you have to speak against the government and probably corporate and whatsoever, and all in Jamaica. You understand? But right, so nothing happen. So what kind of turn this you take? So that simply means you take your time and take a turn too. From the person where we know you is. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and give it a subscription. You ask for this and you got it. I want to put on the money on them out there. Cash App. $, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, the young college student entrepreneur. YouTube channel link pin in my comment section also with the Cash App. Hit the link and hit the word subscribe and give her a subscription. Support our young business. Check out our website. Check out our Instagram business page. Charmed _ and trend. And _ trend. Alright? Thanks for watching again. I'm out. Uno. When town reaching a distress, as I say, like ship and aircraft, wanna come out against people. And you know, wanna derail like train. You understand? Because I don't see no need for you to come out and based upon the message you try to carry across about the woman that talk about God this, God that, and she used to come out and devotion and you not see it no more. As you go by, things change. Remember we used to have typewriter, now we have computer. Remember we used to have some land phone, now we have cell phone. You understand? You remember when we used to have a post letter? Now we have email, she-mail, we have WhatsApp, we have all different media. Things and times change. But in the circumstances of that woman, she might not come out and keep a devotion because guess what? She will find more time because she excel more and more. So she have to value the time now. But she still find the time to pray to God. She might not carry to you, the public. You can't pray for yourself. You can't have a devotion for yourself. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.